So Chief has decided to take the bull by the horn by confronting the lady that he had been dating for 5 years in search of the solution to his missing functionality of Bubula. So his John Thomas does not rise again. So he's seeking solution, at least to make sure that the restoration is imminent. And he was convinced in the last video to meet this woman. That's why he is here. Guys, I wanted to watch out to see how everything played out. Guys, subscribe to the channel for more good videos like this one. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment your opinion as well. Guys.
I have said to you not to look for me again. So what? As in, all these people you brought to my house, what's it that come here country?
Nothing, nothing, you know
You're not here for peace, so you're here for peace. Man called Chief did to me. Chief odogwu don't concern me. When I use this odogwu, I don't use it last. If you go, you don't go, you don't concern me. How could it be easy for Chief to waste my time? Everything that I've acquired, I share with Chief. For the sake he wants to marry me.
It's not.
That's why I went so far for you. And that spell I cast in you will never go away. I am paying you back for 5 good years you wasted my own time.
Are we done there? You said? This is the place. Okay, yes.
Hey, Chief. Chief.
Yeah, what again?
You know how much I adore you. You know how much I used to praise this your odogwu. You know how I used to appreciate you. Chief, honestly, God is my witness. I will not do anything to harm you.
But we are here.
Way. Please, honestly.
This is not the reason we are here. Let us go and take. Because I have told you. Come, let me tell you. I will, after everything, and this is not her. I will not only send you packing. I will arrest you.
Oh.
I will.
I mean, no sense.
Right, here is. Their gate always open. It cannot change. I told her, lock their gate. You don't know who is coming in.
Is she the one?
Yes, now look at her.
I don't know her now.
I said that she's here.
Chief, what are you doing in my compound?
Who came?
Hey! What's your mouth there? Who is your Kim?
Kim?
What are you doing here? God have said to you not to look for me again now. I don't tell you not find me come again. We're not there together again. We're not there together again. You know what you do me now? Oh, so you still have the dear gods to walk into my compound. Chief, if I see something, I feel break your head. If I see something, I feel break your head. Not a joke with me again. Not a joke with me again. So what? As in, all these people you brought to my house, what's it that come here country? What's in this camera that looks my front? What's in this camera? I'm gonna break this down head. What's in this camera that looks my front?
Please.
Who be this one?
Please.
You again. You. I recognize your photo. You.
Nothing.
You not
fit.
You not fit. You not fit. You said you not fit. Me from my own compound. Me from my own compound. I'm gonna beat you.
That's not why we are here.
We never look like that now.
Are you changing for you? That's the worry you.
We're here for peace.
What kind of peace is it?
We're here for peace.
You're not here for peace, so you're here for pieces. Man called Chief did to me.
I know. She told me everything.
You get Kim one way. You get Kim one way from Kim. Then for what? What are these people doing in my house for? What is this camera doing here now?
I know that this man wasted 5 years of your life deceiving you and everything. The wife, she told me everything.
Husband,
stop. We're here for peace now. Do you want solution or not? You want solution? Don't calm down now. Why they make her the face?
Come and ask her now. I don't have time.
See, according to her, ever since they found out that, or you found out that Chief has been married, and you guys broke up, when you broke up with Chief, odogwu no dey work.
Not working.
Me.
For what? How many months? For what 7 months? The thing no dey go up.
Then how is that my problem? How is that my problem? It is the odogwu or whatever you call it is not working.
I don't ask chief wife. She said she's not responsible. No way chief never go. Na church, na native doctor, na hospital.
I am not listening to all this. I don't want to give ear to all this someone that they talk. Now you don't concern me. Chief odogwu don't concern me. When I use this odogwu, I don't use it last. If you go, you don't concern me. You don't concern me. Make me come off my compound. I don't get this kind of testament. You. I'm off here. Chief idiots.
I know that chief really messed up without telling you, without opening up to you.
So you are like this?
But please, if you are the reason why this odogwu is not working, please, just let us know. I know it's not easy.
How could it be easy? How could it be easy for Chief to waste my time? Waste the resources I spent on him? Everything that I've acquired, I share with Chief for the sake he wants to marry me. For me to know that Chief is married after 5 years. Who would that thing be? How do you want me to go about it? Do you know the pain you've caused me? This is your double better for us.
What?
What did you want to enjoy marriage? You go see marriage enjoy. You want to enjoy marriage? I will show you.
What did you do? What did you do?
That's why I don't know. If you know say you're a married man and you won't enjoy, you won't get affair, tell the woman, tell her I'm married. I'm a married man. If she won't continue fine, if she don't want to continue fine, but there's no need to hide. But you in this case, you hide everything from her for good 5 years.
How could it be? Now who go through this one way to go tire? What did she do me say sweet belly?
But now,
you sweet belly? I
know you know sweet belly. But please, I want you to tell us now because I don't ask until she say not be she make Chief Odogwu not dey work. And I have to convince Chief. As I'm talking to you now, Chief is sending her packing, her things, her roads, her property, everything there outside.
Should you come fight me? You see that the dear God center my compound again. Crazy day your head. Useless woman. When if you control your wife, your husband. Your husband till they move, go, you know if you control. Now you find them, you don't lost them. Now go see her when I keep her. Now crazy the worry too often.
I only have one question to tell you. No, Chief, please. Talk to her.
Come from my corner.
Ask her, not me. Ask her. Talk to her.
Where did you go? What did you do?
Then what did you do to me? What did you do to me?
I'm sorry.
For 5 years.
I'm sorry. Wait.
Chief.
Wait.
I thought I was married.
It's not.
Popcorn now, but you see.
Now.
You see that girl,
I'm not supposed to marry you.
That's why I went so far for you. And that spell I cast in you will never go away. I will not reverse it.
Huh?
Yes! I will not reverse it. Go and tell your ancestors. I will not reverse it.
You did this.
Hey! Thank God for exonerating me, oh God. Hey! Thank you for exonerating me. Hey!
Okay, we go go this far.
So, God, thank you for exonerating me. I am innocent.
Hey!
You know what my innocence is? Wait for now. Did you know that you can prove your innocence? 5 years. God has 5 years. 5 years. God has proved my innocence.
You did what?
It's payback.
You did what?
It's payback.
You.
It's payback.
You.
It's payback.
You.
Yes.
I can if you don't know.
Then try me. Try me. With the last blood in my body now, I will tear you in pieces.
On this woman, I cannot take this lightly. How did you do it? Tell me.
And ask your ancestors. Your fathers.
Ask her now, how did she do it? Now let's know what to do. Ah!
Where are you going to?
God has proved my innocence.
Where are you going to? Where's she going to?
Jesus, God has proved my innocence.
Don't you apologize to this woman. You see what you cause for yourself. You see what you cause for yourself.
God has proved my innocence. Chief.
Women.
You see?
Women.
God has proved my innocence.
Hey! This one can kill somebody. What is this?
It's payback. It's payback for what you did to me. And I'm not ready to reverse it. You will go to the graveyard of your ancestors and ask them to reverse whatever I've done to you. I am paying you back for 5 good years you wasted my own time. Do you know how many suitors that came for me? Do you know how many suitors that came for me? Please.
You went to the native doctor?
Come. I'll take it.
Now this thing you say make that odogwu no dey work.
It's not gonna work forever. You're not gonna work forever.
Now the thing there.
You're not gonna work forever.
Now hear the thing there.
What did they ask me for? What did they ask me for?
Please.
What did they ask me for?
There's always a second chance. Please give Chief a second chance. Forgive him, please. Please, I'm on my knees begging you, please. Give him a second chance. I don't know, but auntie, you need this. You need this thing pass. Follow me, beggar. Come. Let's beggar. Chief, no beg this woman. No, I need that now. Please. Please,
Can please give it back to me, I beg.
It's not easy for you, please. Hey, beg, please.
Yay!
You're going to leave my compound. Chief, I will not reverse this.
Can please now.
No, I don't want to hear anything.
Hey! Look at. What are you going to do, please? I'm begging you now. Hey.
Please. Just give Chief a second chance, please. Let's give Chief a second chance, please. I believe you're going to find another man that will love you more than the way Chief loved you. I'm going to fall in love with him more than the way you fell in love with Chief.
How could that happen again?
It will happen.
For 5 years.
It will happen.
5
so young
years.
And beautiful. You're still young and beautiful. It will happen.
Chief, what did I do to you to deserve all this?
Are you going to reverse it or not? Are you going to reverse it? Are you going to reverse it?
Oh, I will not. I will not. I will not. No. See what you have caused for yourself.
Is there no way you can do it?
No way. I will not forgive Chief. She was killing my heart. He killed my heart. He killed my heart with so much pain.
Oh, please come in. Hi. Mommy. I can always trust you. Now I can trust you. Are you still annoyed with me?
Why would I be annoyed with you?
But that when I smashed that thing,
Immediately that it touched that floor. I felt it. My body began to vibrate. Hey, women. Hey, if not you, I know I can always trust you now.
Trust? You say trust?
Let's see if it is okay now. At least I felt it, but at least
what in God's name are you talking? What in God's name are you talking about?
Talk to her now.
Do you know what I passed through for the past 7 months?
I'm sorry.
You stopped eating my food. We're sleeping in separate rooms. Even my friends have made a caricature of me just because of your attitude towards me. And now that God has exonerated me, but you're telling me trash.
I've told you that. At least. I'm sorry now.
Chief, I was virtually begging you for months. Eventually, you had to throw my sin out. If not because of this gentleman that I went to.
Inside, no problem. Okay, we'll talk about that later, please.
Please, I beg you,
we'll talk to her now.
I beg you.
There's no way I can find out.
Okay.
Chief, hope say you've changed.
Yes.
Hope you're not gonna go back and be looking for side chicken. Hope you have learned your lesson.
I have learned my lesson. Oh, I didn't know women can somebody. If somebody can go this length because of what?
Take what you're saying. Happen for your kuro.
I saw it. Oh God, I thank you.
What is it? What does she have that I don't have? Is it not you that has reduced me to this?
It's okay now.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
You can say that now. It's okay. I beg you.
Please.
People have matter. What is it?
Let's go inside.
And do what?
Let me see now. Shebi, this is for you. It's for you.
Okay.
I promise never again. We will see this kind of thing and go back to that kind of life. What is nonsense? I'm
sorry, Abby.
I'm sorry, very, 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 very. Please, please.
You don't look like who is sober.
Me?
Yes.
My brother. If it's you, Uncle, if you can see extent a woman can go, please now. Let's see if this thing is okay, please. Okay. But I have to taste it. I have to know. Maybe I should find how to taste it and know if the thing is okay.
Chief, because you are here, you've not changed. You've not changed in your blood.
I told you I cannot do it again.
Because you are kind by inside.
About that.
Should I wait?
Now let's.
No, wait, that odogwu dey work. You go work now. Now this man tried it for over 7 months. It did not work. That's why sometimes you just have to be careful. When you're married, you know. Don't be say we dey play away match all the time. Sometimes it's fact. Chief out.
I have not even. I have not even done.
Come now.
I have not even done anything. I don't touch her. Everything.
Just touch it.
Everything is okay, my brother.
Come now. Wow. Over 7 months.
Please, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will.
No, come now. We're not seeing you now. Come, go.
My brother. I have not even done anything. Yeah. Hey!
Congratulations.
Thank you, my brother.
Congratulations. Odogwu, okay. Alright, this matter for me. Take it easy.
So now that Chief's odogwu has been restored, I hope he wouldn't go back again to his old life. I wish him well. Guys, what do you think about this video? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more good videos like this one.